All right, so we want to differentiate what? Cos 2x over x squared using quotient rule because it's a quotient. All right, now because it's in the form y is equal to u over v, because there's a denominator and so there's a numerator and a denominator. Now we are given that y is equal to cos 2x over x squared. Of course, these are u and then these are v. So our u is equal to what? Cos 2x. And our v is equal to what? X squared. All right. So we're going to differentiate this side and differentiate this side. So yeah, we're going to find our du dx. So that's going to be equal to, now you want to differentiate cos 2x. Normally, if you differentiate cos x, all right, I mean that if you have a function y is equal to cos x and you differentiate it, of course you're going to have minus sine x. But that does not mean that if you differentiate cos 2x now you get minus sine 2x. No, there is a function inside this function. The actual method to use to differentiate this is chain rule. All right, chain rule. But we're not going to do that. We're going to use the shortcut. So how do we do that? The function inside is 2x. So if you differentiate the function inside 2x, you get 2. So now use that 2 to multiply. Differentiate cos itself, you get minus sine, then the same 2 with the same 2x. So finally, du dx, all right, is equal to what? This multiplied by this gives us minus 2 sine 2x. All right. Now we're going to differentiate v with respect to x. So that's going to be dv dx. So that's going to be differentiate x squared. You're going to have 2x. All right. Now, what's the next thing we're going to do? The next thing we're going to do is what? Recall the formula. Now, the formula for quotient rule is what? V du dx minus u dv dx over v squared. So we're going to follow this formula. We're going to put all this into this formula. So it becomes that what? The y dx is going to be equal to v du dx. What's our v? Our v is what? X squared multiplied by du dx. Our du dx is minus 2 sine 2x minus into bracket. That's the minus here. U. What's our u? Our u is what? Cos 2x multiplied by what is our what? Dv dx, which is what? 2x. All right. All divided by what? V. And what's our v? X squared, all squared, because this is v squared. All right. So our dy dx is going to be equal to what? Now this multiplied by this is going to give us what? Minus 2x squared sine 2x. Now minus what? This multiplied by this is going to give us 2x cos 2x all over. Now x squared into squared, that's going to give us x to the power of 4. All right, x to the power of 4. Now if you check, x is common on both sides. Also 2 minus 2 is common on both sides. So this is the y dx is equal to, now if you check, like I said, minus 2x is common on both sides. So you can bring it out. You're going to be left with what? Sine 2x. Sorry, there's going to be an x here. All right. So because this is x squared, it's just minus 2x that's common between. So this is going to be an x here. Then plus what? Cos 2x all divided by what? X to the power of what? 4. Now of course, one of the x here is going to take away one of the x here. We're going to be left with x to the power of 3 here. So now it becomes that finally that what? That our dy dx, all right, that our dy dx is equal to what? Minus 2 into bracket what? X sine 2x plus cos 2x all divided by what? X to the power of what? 3. So this is our answer. All right, this is our answer. Make sure you like this video, share this video, hit the subscribe button, and watch more videos on this so you can get better understanding.